Withdrawing money from your Google account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete the transaction successfully. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google website and sign in using your credentials. Ensure you are using the account that has the funds you wish to withdraw. Step 2. Access Google Pay. Navigate to Google Pay by either searching for it or selecting it from the Google Apps menu. This is where you can manage your transactions and bank account settings. Step 3. Link your bank account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Initiate a withdrawal. Once your bank account is linked, go to the Balance section in Google Pay. Select the option to transfer funds and choose your bank account as the destination. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Review the details of your withdrawal, including the amount and the bank account information. Confirm the transaction to initiate the transfer. You should receive a notification once the process is complete. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw money from your Google account to your bank account. Make sure to check your bank for the transaction confirmation.